in a struggle since.
So
Because
to
I always
lose
used to, I've always been very
very
sporty.
fit, huh?
I've always been very sporty.
Sporty, yeah.
Sports काफ़ी खेलता भी हूँ,
Yeah.
वर्कआउट भी मुझे हर वक्त करना होता है, खाने का भी ख्याल रखता हूँ.
हाँ, बहुत
सो वो
ज़्यादा
हुआ
मैंने
ये कि जब
देखा.
आप एक अचानक से मोबिलिटी आपकी रोक दी जाती है, तो देन आई वाज एट होम एंड आई डिस्कवर्ड फूड. You know,
It's also comfort.
yeah,
Yeah.
you love the carbs at that time.
Oh my God. Yeah. You just want to be happy because you want to be alive.
And then double whammy क्या हुआ कि उसके साथ कोविड भी. सो कोविड की वजह से भी लाइफ स्टैंड स्टिल पे ये भी हो गया. तो देन आई जस्ट स्टेड एट होम, आई वाज ईटिंग एंड आई जस्ट पुट ऑन लॉट ऑफ वेट पोस्ट दैट. एंड देन आई देन एक रोल आया, तो मेरे पास ऑप्शन था कि आई कुड लूज इट फॉर दैट रोल. बट देन माय डायरेक्टर एंड आई डिस्कस, वो आर्मी ऑफिसर का था, तो वी सेड ओके लेट्स ट्राई टू कन्वर्ट दिस इनटू मसल.
Yeah, good idea.
सो उसी को फिर हमने वर्कआउट कर करके उसको हमने
अच्छा,
बफ किया सो दैट आई कुड प्ले दैट रोल.
Right.
And right after that, then I was like, बस अब उतारना है. So then, I went on like a crazy workout kind of a situation.
Right. But also became more zen.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, like praying more, I've heard. And
Yeah. So,
Yeah.
I think this was during COVID,
Yeah.
and Alhamdulillah that I always used to pray.
Yeah.
मेरी एक नमाज हो जाती थी हमेशा, but I got very regular at that time. तो मेरी अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह 5 वक्त की नमाज हो चुकी. आजकल भी ये है कि अगर मिस भी हो जाती है तो मैं रात को एक साथ पढ़ लेता हूँ. But I try to, because काम की वजह से अगर मिस भी हो जाए,
Yeah.
तो I try to make up for it at night.
Right.
But I've been regular since then till now.
It's also scary for your parents. You get into an accident,
Yeah,
especially when your brother passed away.
Yeah,
He had
so-
a car accident,
Yeah,
right?
so we've lost one
Yeah.
to a car accident
Yeah,
before,
this is not good, no?
which is why I sold off all my bikes.
Okay.
मैंने मोटर बाइक्स अपनी सारी बेच दी, और अब एक छोटा सा स्कूटर है मेरे पास शौकिया. बट आई हैवंट, बीच में मैंने बड़ा शौक चला था. आई गॉट अ BMW की स्पोर्ट्स बाइक थी, वो आई गॉट दैट अगेन. इट्स अ बिग बीस्ट, बट वो भी बिकवा दिया. My mom was just like, why are you doing this again? So I got, but like I said, this is part of your journey.
This is part of the journey. My brothers used to have.
You make mistakes.
वो जो क्या कहते हैं, वो dirt bikes कहते हैं उन्हें.
अच्छा.
हाँ, तो उस जमाने में तो फोन भी नहीं होते थे ना. 12 बजे तक अगर वो घर नहीं, my mother and I would be standing at the gate,
Waiting for
so scared, and they'd always be ripped, and they would do this
Yeah,
wheelies,
wheelies
sheelies.
and-
I don't know what the boys do. Awful. So I'm like, then my father said, "Bus,
Yeah.
enough,
बहुत हो गया.
enough." of
But
this fun."
like I said, I think it's
Yeah.
part. Everybody has their own individual journey,
Yeah.
and it's part of your journey. Sometimes you make
Right.
mistakes, and
Yeah.
when you look back, you realize that you made mistakes. It's
Yeah.
okay.
But it's not mistakes even. This is it, right? Accidents happen when you're sports, and there's some sports which are more prone
Prone to accidents.
accidents, skiing and automobile racing.
Yeah.
That's
I mean,
a very
look
dangerous one.
at look at Michael Schumacher, right?
Yeah.
वो
Oh, he's such
बेचारा
I love him so much.
पूरी जिंदगी बेचारा F1
Yeah.
racing करते रहे.
Yeah.
Which is supposed to be one of the most
Skiing accident.
one of the most
Yeah.
dangerous sports in the world.
Yeah.
Nothing happened,
Right.
and then he went on a leisurely trip.
Yeah.
Skiing accident
But
में
ये
coma,
ना अल्लाह
vegetable.
मियाँ की तरफ से भी चीज़ें होती हैं. So it's like, and that happens a lot, like Muhammad Ali, the boxer,
Yeah.
right? And he had Parkinson's
Right,
in
he
the
had
end
Parkinson's.
because obviously you're getting hit left,
If
right.
nothing
and
else, लोग चलते चलते आपके ऊपर कुछ चीज गिर जाती है, आप चले
This
जाते
is
हैं.
it.
So you never know what's written
Yeah,
ahead.
yeah, you're really, it's true, right? I want to know, you also went into depression, you said, right?
Yeah.
For a while after the accident, and and when you're a hero and you're used to being fit,
Yeah.
and then suddenly you can't move.
You can't move.
Because you have surgery, and then you're like stuck when you're eating and all of that habits, and तो वो फिर इंसान को बहुत ही डिप्रेशन में डाल देता है. I
Absolutely.
can understand that.
But depression एक ऐसी चीज है, I think it's the most common thing. I
Yeah.
think everybody goes
I
through
agree.
it. At some
Yeah.
point or the other.
Yeah.
The only problem is a lot of people don't even know they're going through it.
Yes.
And
it's also something that is treatable.
Yeah.
Right? Because and people don't, everyone, I don't know anyone who hasn't gone through it.
Yeah.
The lows and the highs also, so it's but the low, it can be it can really take over where you don't get out of bed, you don't want to leave the room, you just, think life is horrible.
Yeah.
And so and you have to seek help, you have to talk to people and
Yeah,
get
there are
therapy.
days, when the hurt is just
Yeah.
is just too much, and
And also being in the limelight.
yeah.
there's all this, like you said ना, वो जो बल आते हैं, कुछ जो लोग हैं वो बल बना रहे होते हैं आपके लिए, you know, उस पे से भी गुजरना पड़ता है.
अच्छा, उसमें फिर ये होता है कि लाइक आई सेड ये भी एक जर्नी है, तो आपको आहिस्ता आहिस्ता यू नीड टू लर्न हाउ टू डील विद इट. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल अब मैं सोशल मीडिया से थोड़ा सा बहुत हट गया हूँ.